Today we are at the Nori Airsoft Club for the very first Milsim gameplay. Today the SEALs have 6 objectives to complete. They will not know where they are going or what the mission is until they complete the one they are on. I'm going to split up the video for each mission, and there'll be a link at the end of each video for the next mission. I do plan on running a full video of the whole game, but I'm also going to split it up just to make it a little easier to watch. And here is a video we recovered of the captured SEAL member.
Hello. This is day 2. I've been captured. SEAL team has just been deployed. Okay. Hopefully they get to me.
I kept trying to inform the guys that we were in live territory here and could be shot at, but they didn't really take it seriously right away. Then all hell breaks loose.
Medic!
Left.
What do I do if I'm hit?
The way we did the medic for this mission is if the medic got shot, then another SEAL member were to heal him. Anyone that gets shot, the medic pulls out a white medic flag and he's invincible. As soon as he gets to the teammate, they are both invincible. He's got to drag the injured teammate back 15 feet, tie an armband on, and then they're back in. And if everybody on the SEAL team is shot, then the medic automatically is back alive and continues on.
And now you have to get out your white flag and go get Matt. If you get shot, Larry, don't worry about it. Just grab him and come back 15 feet.
Am I good then?
Yep, you're good. Got one dead center of me.
The terrorists are dug in here pretty good. We need to eliminate all them and find our captured SEAL member. And it wouldn't be an airsoft game without Rocco. There he goes.
I got a guy here. Look straight ahead of you. See him? See his hair?
He's out.
Good shot.
Move it up. Oh, everybody, go.
All right.
Just purchased this sniper rifle, and I realized real quick that
There's a guy behind the tree.
it just doesn't have enough feet per second to be useful.
Denny's 12. Denny's 12. All right, he's out, he's out, he's out. We're good to me, good to me. All right. Once we get them all here, then we got to find Steven.
We're just told here by the terrorists that they're all shot. So Scooter here already fogging up, trying to get on his case about using a fencing mask. He doesn't like them too much.
You want a fencing mask, Larry? Dude. Alright, he's got our mission. Matt, you're the only one to read that.
Okay, so mission complete. And now the radio man, which is Matt today, is the only one to read the card and give instructions to the SEAL team. And then before we head off to the next mission, he has to change his radio to the terrorist channel and let them know we're on our way.
Nah.